What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is August 3rd, 2022. Total crypto market cap is still above 1 trillion. It's good to see. Still above about the same market cap as we were at yesterday, and 24-hour volume is down quite a bit from where we were at yesterday. I think it was around 76 billion, and today is 66 billion. Total market cap is down 0.31%, which is not terrible, but it's not great to see either. A lot of trending coins right now. Optimism, which is actually one I invested in. I'm just going to take a look in this really quick. Optimism, which is one I actually made a TikTok about a while ago. So if you bought it, you would be up around 200-ish, not 200%, but maybe around 100%. So congrats if you followed me on TikTok. So if you haven't not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok. Lots of gains right here in the market. Don't know what this Saudi Shiba Inu is. Don't know what that is. Don't buy it. It may be up a lot, but don't buy it. Bitcoin down 0.5%, Ethereum almost the same thing. Market's not really doing anything special as of today right now. Everything's just kind of doing nothing really special. Up 1%, down 0.5%. Uniswap up 7%. Nothing crazy in the market besides, get ready for this, Xeon. Have you ever heard of this coin? I've never heard of this. Just on, hold on, this is on the week. If we go to the day, still in a massive bubble, right? 203% on the day. I don't even know what this coin is. Up 653% on the week, 500% on the month. This is like, I was debating on buying some after I saw this, but I know I shouldn't because it's a bad idea and it's probably going to crash. But I'm still even tempted, but I'm not going to. So besides Xeon, which is taking up the whole screen, most coins are up as of today, even though the market cap is down. A lot of altcoins are doing very well as of today. Optimism doing well, Lido DAO doing well, Xeon doing pretty well as well. Near VeChain, a lot of coins are actually doing well right now. It's good to see this on the market on the week. Xeon just taking up the entire screen at this point. Don't even know what Xeon even is, but it's up 653%. Filecoin 46%, Optimism almost 100% on the week. Good stuff on some altcoins. You'd like to see that. Crypto Fear and Green Index, we were at 30 points. Basically the same as we were at yesterday. We're down, or actually down 4 points from where we're at yesterday. Down 2 points from last week, and we are still up from last month, which is good to see. Crypto Slam, so NFT volume is not looking terrible, actually. NFTs are doing pretty well right now. Bored Ape Yacht Club is up 87%. CryptoPunks, 306%. Not really sure why CryptoPunks are doing really well, but they just are. We got 123% on potatoes. I think this is actually a free mint that happened a little while ago. A lot of transactions, 13,000 transactions, so rare. Interesting, I might have to look into that. Ethereum's transactions up 18%, Solana's down 44%, not surprising. We'll get into why that is happening later in the video. Transactions are way down too. They're actually down like about 100% on the volume or for transactions. Transactions are usually around 40 to 50,000 for Solana, which is down to 27,000. We'll get into why that's happened later in the video. Ethereum still hovering around the same point. Most chains right now are just doing the same except for Solana. So we'll get into why that's happening right now. So there was actually a hack as of last night, Solana hack that was blamed on the Slope mobile wallet exploit. So I actually was late to this. I posted my YouTube video after or before this happened. So I didn't get to see what the whole hack was about. I was actually just scrolling on Twitter, and I saw a bunch of people got all their Solana stolen out of their wallet. I saw one guy lost like 6 Solana, one guy lost 5 Solana, one guy lost like 20 Solana. Crazy what was going on. I actually made a full TikTok about it, so if you're curious more into it, go check that video out. I show like what some of the losses were like, how to protect yourself. Actually, this would be a better video to show you guys how to protect yourself. So in your Solana wallet, I just use Phantom, right? So log into your Phantom wallet right now. So if you're, this is just to be safe. So if anything like this happens again, you know what to do. So on your Solana wallet, all you have to do is go down to this little gear cog icon right here, click on this, scroll down to trusted apps, and then revoke all of these. So actually I'm gonna revoke all this right now. So revoke all your trusted apps on everything. You can do the same thing on MetaMask, same thing on the Slope wallet, same thing on everywhere, just so no website has access to your wallet. Because if a website has access to your wallet and some hacker is able to breach into the website, they can steal all of your money, and you got to be careful about that. There's a lot of hackers who are very skilled at what they do, and they can basically hack anything. So you got to be very careful about what you connect your wallet to. And if you connect your wallet to a website, let's say you connect your wallet to Magic Eden, make sure when you are done, you revoke it. So you don't have your wallet connected on there while you're not even on the website. So the large scale Solana wallet hack, which started on Tuesday night, which was after I made this video, is to be tied to a Slope mobile wallet app. Solana developers believed that there was private key details for affected wallets were inadvertently transferred to a third party. So I guess when you logged into the Slope wallet on your mobile app, the private key that you use to log in, which only you should share. You should never share that with anyone. Don't share your private key with anyone because they can just log into your wallet and steal everything, which is exactly what happened here. So please be careful. So thousands of Solana users collectively lost about $4.5 million worth of Solana tokens and other tokens from Tuesday night into early Wednesday, and now there is likely an explanation for why. It is being blamed on a private key exploit tied to a mobile software wallet, Slope. So I only have Slope on my computer, so I actually don't have it on my phone at all, which is probably good. It kind of saved me for this, but make sure, just to be safe, that you have all of your Solana, everything's safe. If you even want to be extra safe, don't keep it on these decentralized wallets. Keep it on an actual exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Newton, whatever you want to keep it on. Having it on these is obviously risky, which is why I don't have a lot of money in here. So just in case anything does happen, I can live without that 129 bucks, whatever. But still, just be safe. Make sure you revoke all trusted apps. Now we got CEO of now bankrupt Voyager made millions offloading firm stock months before insolvency. So this is actually very bad news to hear, but of course, so basically CEO was offloading all of the shares of his company. Basically, he knew the company was going to go bankrupt and there was nothing they can do. So he just started offloading millions and millions of dollars worth of shares. So scroll down here. So the company CEO, Stephen Elrich, and probably butchered his last name, reportedly made over $30 million offloading the Voyager stock before it crashed and before they went bankrupt. It's terrible. Filings indicate that Elrich, that's not how you say it, but I'm going to say it, and his Delaware LLCs sold almost 1.9 million shares between February 9th and March 31st. The sale was segmented in 11 separate transactions totaling $31 million. Crazy stuff. So basically they knew it was going to go bankrupt. Obviously, if you own the company, you know you're going to go bankrupt. You know, obviously, because you're the owner of the company. So I guess his thought process from here is like, we're going to lose anyway. We're already losing. We're going to go bankrupt. I might as well offload some shares and make $30 million. And obviously the stock plunged after the insider sales. So bad news to see on this. Voyager is just, if it somehow by some miraculous miracle ever recovers, never put any money in here. Never. Just pretend this never even happened. If you have money in here, I'm very sorry for your losses. But please, if you don't have any money in there or anything about this and they ever recover and come back online or whatever they do, never put money in here, okay? Just telling you right now. Next, we got Robinhood slashes workforce by 23% as markets head south. So this is actually, what I find weird about this is they're firing staff because the markets are going down. Like if you are in a job at McDonald's, right, and stock market crashes, everything crashes, you're still going to have your job. But if you work at Robinhood, it might seem good and cushy while the market is doing good and we're in a bullish trend. But as soon as the market starts to go bearish, you might just get fired. So it's scary that a lot of these trading apps, now Robinhood does crypto too. So now that they're almost relying on the markets to do good. So you're almost relying on the markets to do good so you can keep your job. I think that's a terrible mentality for some of these corporations to be having on some of their workers, but I guess this is what happens. So after rapidly scaling operations, Robinhood is now aggressively cutting costs and laying off employees in light of the market downturn. The CEO, Vlad Tenev, announced that the company will be laying off 23% of its workforce in light of the difficult market conditions. I think I've read about this on a different company as well. Can't remember the name of it actually right now, but it does suck to see that there is 23% of the workforce at Robinhood being fired because the markets are going down, right? So why would the workers have, like, what if some of the workers aren't investors at all? They just work at Robinhood. Why should they have to suffer because the markets are going down, right? They should be able to keep their jobs no matter what. If Bitcoin goes to $0, why would they lose their job, right? That has no impact on their life, but the company's invested in that, which then makes them lose less money or makes them lose more money, which means they can't pay workers, which means they got to fire them. So the good thing about this though is they will be compensated, but this still sucks to see, right? Why would these people's wages, their lives, be dependent on like stuff in the markets, right? And last piece of news we got for today's video, we got the merge, which is Ethereum's merge, will catalyze Ethereum into a global institutional grade asset, which is very, very good news, bullish news. The long anticipated merge update is set to act as an event catalyst, possibly transforming Ethereum into a global institutional grade asset. So a lot of people right now are actually buying Ethereum, betting on this switch from proof of work to proof of stake. So when this happens, people do believe that Ethereum is going to shoot up to hopefully $10,000 in the future, because Obviously, proof of work coins versus proof of stake. There's a lot more gains to be made in proof of stake, right? It's more economic friendly. It's easier for people to get access to, right? It just sucks for miners because they won't be making as much money, right? But I do think this is good news for Ethereum. This whole merge will be good as long as the SEC doesn't get involved, because I did hear a rumor that the SEC likes to get involved and sue any companies that are a proof of stake are on the proof of stake network, right? Because if they're proof of stake, they might, where did I read about this? I should have saved it, but the proof of stake says they're claimed as a security. So I really hope that's not the case. I did hear a rumor that SEC was trying to sue Ethereum. If that happens, I will be very scared because I have a lot of money in Ethereum. I'll probably end up just selling all of my Ethereum if that does happen, because right now the SEC is suing XRP, and there's actually a whole list of coins I made a TikTok video about. Just go watch my TikTok. I don't, a lot of the time I don't have time to fit everything into a short YouTube video like this. So go check out my TikToks, make like at least one a day on just what's going on in the market, some prime information, just not even 60 seconds. Go check it out, right? But I do think this is bullish for Ethereum. I really hope the SEC does not get involved, because if it gets involved, we're going to have a XRP scenario where it's been locked at the same price for like 6 years. If we go to all time, it's had like 2 bull runs. That's it. One ginormous bull run, and then it's been basically steady around pennies, just pennies, right? Where like, so that's had 2 bull runs. If you go to like Bitcoin, go to all time, there's been many, like 1, maybe we can almost count that as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in its time, right? So if that happens for Ethereum, it's probably going to crash and stay at a low level for quite some time. So I really hope that does not happen. Oh, look at that. Up 1.29%. It's funny. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you have any questions, I respond to all comments in the YouTube video. So just leave any comment down below. I will always respond to you guys. Make sure you like the video. And if you want to get started investing in crypto, go check out the links in the description. There's a bunch of links down there. You can get some free money for signing up. I hope you all have an amazing, amazing rest of your day. Peace.